I have not taken any decision about my retirement. We don't think about you at all. Your parents are worried about your future. Is this your final decision about my career? We are least bothered about the prices. Fine. In these examples, the common word that we find is about. Now, about is one such word in English language. We use it almost every day. And I need not trouble you, I need not bother you about the terminology of this word. It doesn't matter whether it is a preposition or adverb or adjective. To be frank, it is more popular as a preposition. But all that we need to know is the correct usage of the word about. We need not give too much of importance to the history and background of this word, whether it is a noun or pronoun or verb or adverb or preposition or adverb or adjective. It really doesn't make any difference at all, because we have to learn how to use the word correctly in English language so that I don't make any mistakes when I talk, when I write. So friends, welcome back to JBK English videos. In this video, we are going to learn about the usage of a word called about, A-B-O-U-T, about. I simply call it a technical word for the sake of this video. About has 5 uses. The first one is linked to or connected to or related to something. For example, this movie is about the corruption in the country. This is a very good article about population in this country. I have read a lot about you in the magazine. These examples indicate that you are using about to indicate connection or relation or link between someone or something. The second use of about is approximate. A road accident took place in front of your house. The policemen are asking you, could you tell me the time of the accident? And you do not remember the exact time. Then you say, the accident took place at about 2 a.m. You are using at to indicate time, and you are also using about to indicate that it is approximate time. I ask you, how many people have written the entrance test? You are not able to recollect the exact number. Then you say about 2.5 lakh candidates have written the examination. About 2.5 lakh candidates, it is not an exact figure, but it is an approximate figure. About 500 guests are going to attend this party. He came at about 11 a.m. So these are the examples where we are using about to indicate approximate time and approximate number. And the third use of about is almost. For example, you and your friend are traveling by train. Your friend gets down and goes to get a bottle of water. Then the time is getting up. Then you tell your friend, the train is about to start. Come back, come soon. The movie is about to begin. Where are you? I am about to end this project. Give me some time. The flight is about to start. So in these examples, we are using about plus to infinitive, to plus base form, to indicate that it has almost started, it has almost begun to happen. So this is the third use of preposition about. We are about to leave. I am about to close the shop. He is about to enter the auditorium. The minister is about to end his lecture. These examples indicate that it is almost in that stage. Now the fourth use of about is suggestion. You are hesitating to give some suggestion, so you don't want to give. At the same time, you don't want to keep quiet. So you are giving the advice like this. How about giving a new cell phone to our colleague? How about going on long drive this evening? How about inviting our friends for party? How about plus ing form? This indicates that the suggestion that you are giving is an indirect suggestion. When you are hesitating to give the suggestion directly, when you have some fear, when you have some shyness, we use this expression, how about plus ing form. How about changing the curtains in the office? How about buying new laptops for all our employees? How about taking them to a holiday resort? How about visiting some hill station this summer vacation? So how about plus ing form indicates indirect suggestion. Now, fifth and the last use of about is enquiries and reminders. The son is going to appear for an examination. Parents are reminding him, have you taken all your belongings? Yes, I have taken. What about the hall ticket? What about the pen? What about the pad? What about the notebook? So what about plus noun? This indicates that it is a reminder or an inquiry. You have gone to the doctor. You are asking him, what about my blood test report? What about my scanning report? What about the X-ray? These examples indicate that you are making some enquiries, you are making some reminders. How about going out on a long drive? This is indirect suggestion. Here we use how about plus ing form. And what about plus noun indicates enquiry and reminder. In this video, to be very brief, I have given less examples, but in my another video, I have given 108 examples on about, because I strongly believe in listening and oral drilling. So keep listening to those 108 examples a number of times. You can read them, you can listen to them, then you will feel comfortable and confident of using the word about. So in this video, I end here. So keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe JBK English videos. Share this video, like this video and subscribe. See you soon with one more item in my next video. Happy learning to you.